Today's session,
Good morning.
so
Good
today's
morning,
session,
sir.
yeah, good morning. So today's session, I'm going to be start the new topic that is time management. I hope everyone did the practice, whatever we have covered in personal administration, organization management, and a safe method. So any doubt, any confusion till now related to any topic, anyone?
Sir, I'm not comfortable in the customized user interface. Can you refer me the video?
Uh,
Which
cus-
video I have to follow?
okay,
Video
customized user
number.
interface. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday, a customized user interface. We are asking about that screen modification, like
Yes,
small
sir.
screen.
Yes.
So for that, I have also last session I have also shared the blog of related to customized user interface. Okay, and
Okay,
related
sir.
to video, I think last session recording I forget to record. Okay, last session whatever
Yes,
I
sir.
did, I
Okay.
forget to record start the recording. So that is why it was not captured. So,
Okay, sir.
see, a screen modification is nothing. Just for that, for example, in any info type, whatever is a standard info type or customized info type, in any info type tab, there are lots of under info, there are lots of information is available. We can take
Yes, sir.
example of like
Sir,
people
I
job.
have practiced that, but I need some clarity about that. Now, for that, I have to watch video. If you have any videos available for that, can you provide me that?
Yeah,
I
yeah,
will
sure,
refer that.
sure. I will search and I will provide. Okay, if not, then I will share some other video. Okay, I will
Yes, sir.
take from the internet. I will share.
Yes, sir. That's all I want, sir.
Okay, okay. So
Actually, I have practiced, but I need some more clarification.
okay, okay, sure. I will share
Yes,
the
sir.
video with you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, apart from that, is there any dynamic action will be there in our syllabus, or it's like
No, like dynamic action as a fresher, it's quite difficult to understand. That's why normally we not cover if a candidate asks for some because like you are working in SAP already. Okay, so maybe you know
yes, sir?
something about the dynamic action. That means a system going to be triggered automatic. Okay,
Trigger.
that's a dynamic
Right, sir.
action. Like for example, when you are going
Right,
to
sir.
do the hiring, we have given the command to system. When I'm going to make the changes in a basic pay, so automatic HRA will be triggered. When I'm going to update their additional action, their address will be also updated. So that is an integrator. So in every interview, also someone going
Okay,
to be
sir.
asked what is a
Sir,
dynamic action.
okay, at the end of the syllabus, will you able to teach us that part also?
If required, then I will do. Okay, sometimes what happen? So this that is dynamic action. I hope you know that is something related to coding and lots of technical words we need to be used there in dynamic action. Okay, so if required,
Okay,
like
okay, sir.
this thing is experience holder thing, so not as a fresher, anyone going to switch to. But if required, the
Okay,
end of
sir.
the session, I will give the okay. So
Okay,
end of the
fine, sir.
session, during revision session, I will provide each and everything. Whatever is difficult also
Okay,
as experience, so that part also I will cover. Okay.
okay, fine, sir.
So today's session, I'm going to start the new topic that is time management. Time management is a very, very important topic in SAP SC module. Time and payroll, this two is very hot topic nowadays for the job purpose also. Lots of job requirement when we get a call from the job from the recruiter, so they are going to be asking these two module, time management and payroll, including PANOM. Okay, so what is the time management? Time management normally in SAP SCM we are going to be learn about the employee working pattern. Time management completely employee working pattern. Why time management is important? Time management, like any organization going to make the salary for employee to their employee according to their working pattern. How many hours he is present, how many days he is present, he is on leave or he is on LOP, how it is. Okay, it will be any employee will work overtime more than the working hour. Okay, so these all these things we need to be create, we need to be defined in time management. So any organization can make the employee salary very easily. That way, we are going to be implement time management. Under time management, there are two parts. One is negative time management, and the second is positive time management. What is the difference between negative time management and positive time management? In positive time, if any customer wants to implement it positive time management, so in positive time management we are going to be record complete clock in and clock out. When employee enter in office, when how much time he had taken, lunch break, tea break, when employee out from office, which day employee present, which day employee absent, each and everything we are going to be tracked in a positive time management. But in negative time management, only we can track their absence and leaves. We are going to be tracked. What is the difference between positive and negative time management? In positive time management, we are going to be track complete clock in and clock out for employee, including absence. Okay, that's a positive time management. And negative time management, we are going to be record only absence and leaves for employee. That's a negative time management. In negative, we are not going to be record clock in and clock out, like when employee enter in office, when employee out. It's not like that in negative time management. This depends on customer how they want to implement negative or positive according. Okay. So now is it clear negative and positive time management?
Yes,
Because
sir.
in every interview, the interview will ask what is the difference between positive and negative time management. Now, first topic in time management: create holiday. What is a holiday? Holiday in every organization they are going to be assigned some holiday. Some is national holiday, someone according to region, according to religious holiday, according to their company holiday. So different holiday. That is a yearly one-time activity before starting of any financial year or starting of any year. Organization going to be make the holiday in a holiday for their employee. Whatever holiday, 10 holiday, 15 holidays, it's a customer decision. So under holiday, there are two type of holiday. One holiday that is with fixed date, like Republic Day, Independence Day, Christmas, Gandhi Jayanti. They all are fixed date. So in every year, it will be fixed, whatever it is, a Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever it is, a day, but it will be fixed. That's a comes under fixed date. Second one, movable date. Movable date like a Dasara, Durga Puja, Diwali, Onam. So different related with the religion. It's a movable date, some holiday. Because in this year we are going to celebrate the Diwali on the 4th of November. Maybe next year it will be 15th of November. Past year it was 16th of November. So it will be so few holiday. It will be movable. Okay, so that's a comes under movable. So but in real time scenario with fixed date, when client going provide the holiday list, so that in that holiday list already fixed, because for 1 year and 2 year we know that this year holiday will be on this day and next year holiday will be this day, so we know. So sometimes we use the same way fixed date, so we know the date, like this year holiday will be falls on the 4th of November, or next date will be 5th of November, so we are going to assign a fixed date also. But according to bookish knowledge, differentiate that is two type of holiday. One is fixed date, second one is movable holiday. Holiday. What is the T code we use to create holiday in SAP time management? SACL. This is T code we are going to use to create holiday in SAP HCM system. First, we will create holiday using SACL, SCL, sorry, SCL, SCL. First, we will use create holiday using SCL. Then we need to be create holiday calendar. What is the use of holiday calendar? Like firstly, we whatever list customer provided. So first we have created for all the region. For leave is difference according to, like in West Bengal, Kolkata, they are different holiday. Mumbai different holiday. Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune. So they are different holiday it will be. Okay. So first we will create the complete holiday list in a system. Then we are going to create the holiday calendar. Holiday calendar we can create according to person area. Okay, like for example, we have created different. So according to person area, like normally, but logic is behind it. Like according to a state, according to region, we can create the holiday calendar. But normally we can take a reference of person area. Like for Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, we have created the holiday calendar. One holiday created a calendar we have created for Hyderabad, holiday calendar for Kolkata, holiday calendar for Mumbai. So once we have created each and every holiday, then we are going to be assigned holiday in their bucket. Like firstly, we are going to create the holiday. Once holiday got created, then we need to create the holiday bucket. So under holiday bucket, then we need to be assign the holiday in holiday to holiday calendar, assign holiday to holiday calendar. Now next one, that is holiday class. What is a holiday class? Holiday class is a standard thing already defined in SAP HCM system, like zero working day. If you are going to assign holiday class zero, so system will consider as a working day. If you assign holiday two, that it means full day holiday. Sorry, one full day holiday, two half day holiday, 3 to 9 customer.
I'm sorry, your voice is not coming.
Sir, your voice is not audible to us.
Hello, my voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So like holiday class, whatever we are going to, like we have created Christmas Day. So Christmas Day we will consider as a holiday class under two. So it will be considered as a half day holiday. So like how you want to make holiday, how it will be going to work in system. So according to, we need to be select the holiday class. Now next one is day types. Day types is also, hello, my voice is audible.
Yeah, I'm asking that what's the difference between 0 and 1, working day and full day holiday? That was same or different?
No, it's a different. Zero is a working day, or one that means full day holiday, complete holiday, no working day. Zero that means
Please
working day.
give us an example for this kind of like 0, 1 and 3 to
Eh,
9.
yeah. Like for example, 15th of August, Independence Day. Okay, so you have created one holiday for Independence Day, but during creation of Independence Day holiday, you have selected holiday class zero. So system will consider it's a working day. So Independence Day on 15th of August, you are going to be work. If you assign one, so it will be considered full day holiday. Okay, so it will be full day holiday. So no working day. If you will be assigned two, that means half day holiday. So only half day holiday, that means half day will be holiday and half day will be working day. And 3 to 9 customer specific. What is the mean of customer specific? If customer going to be create some holiday related to their, according to their requirement, like a company day, establishment day, family day, some different day they are going to be created. So according to, we are going to be assign holiday class 3 to 9 customer specific. In this customer specific holiday class, how it will be going to be work, for that also we need to be use day types 3 to 9 customer specific. So that is a
Then
firstly,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right?
no,
Asa?
3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3 to 9, it is whatever they want to use, different.
Okay.
Okay, according to. Now second concept is a day types. What is a day types? Same thing, it's also standard. If you consider zero, that means work and paid. One, off and paid. Two, off and unpaid. 3 to 9 customer specific, it's a customized requirement. So what is the mean of work and paid? Like for example, we have created 15th of August as a holiday, and we are going to be assigned zero. So what is the mean of the zero? Work and paid. It will be working day and it will be paid. If you are going to assign one, so it will be one, it will be off, but we are going to make the salary. Organization going to make the salary that day. It will be paid. If we consider two, so it will be off day and paid. Like we have created one holiday, Christmas holiday, and we have assigned day types two in a table. Okay, so in a table we have selected two, so that means off and unpaid. So it will be Christmas day will be off, but it will be unpaid. Organization not going to make the salary on that day, Christmas day, because you have configured the system selecting day types two. Okay, that is a difference. 0, 1, 2 and 3 for day types. I will do the separate session also, because it's an important thing. So for day types, how to make in a way, in which table we need to be make the changes. So I will do the in tomorrow I will do the separate session for that day types. Okay.
So data type is not clear.
Not, I know it's not clear. That's why I'm saying I will do the separate session for that, because I need more. I need to show in which table how it's going to be work. So separate session I will do. Okay, for that day types. Today is a holiday class, a holiday calendar one, and a holiday class. Okay. So now I'm going to create in our system. Who are going to share the system? Shivangi or Rekha? Who are going to be share the system?
I will, sir. So please make me host.
Shivangi.
Yeah.
In this week, like Thursday will be holiday for Durga Puja. Okay, Thursday and Friday, Saturday, and Friday also I will be on leave. So Thursday and Friday it will be holiday. Okay, so we will do continue session today also, tomorrow also, and Thursday also. Okay,
Okay, sir.
is it okay for everyone?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
So from Thursday it will be holiday. Thursday, Friday. Okay, Saturday, Sunday. On Monday we will connect.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we can use it. No, it makes sense. We will use the T code SCAL. Enter SCAL T code to create holiday. SCAL. Okay. Now click over public holiday. No, from here we will create. Okay, just to give me 5 minutes. Okay, I'm getting one call continuous. Hello, just to give me 5 minutes. Okay.
Yeah. Varsha is where? Hello.
No, Varsha is not present.
Where is she? Did you call?
No, I didn't. Let me text her.
Same here. Varsha is coming.
वर्षा ने स्टार्टिंग का मिस कर दिया, वो ऊपर से जाएगा उनके।
नहीं, वो क्लास वापस देख लेगी ना रिकॉर्डिंग सेशन में। सर भूल गए तो
अभी
पता नहीं।
नहीं, अभी अभी भी जाएगा ऊपर से बाउंस होके।
हाँ, अभी भी सीधा बाउंस है।
हाँ,
उसका मैसेज ही नहीं देखा ग्रुप में
है मैसेज नहीं देखा। अच्छा,
कि आज क्लास है।
ओके।
आ रही है, वो आ रही है। कोई ना, रिकॉर्डिंग आधा घंटे में देख लेगी, तब भी जो समझ आएगा वो दिख लेगी। अपन समझा लेंगे उसको। But यार OM part is not clear for me.
कोई ना, हम सेशन लगा लेंगे।
ये करना होगा।
OM, हाँ
Okay. तुम्हारा PM और OM दोनों कंप्लीट क्लियर हो चुका है, एवरीथिंग।
यार, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट ना, वो मुझे ऑलरेडी पता था। मैं और ऑप्शंस देख रही हूँ कि क्या हो सकता है
First we
उसमें।
will go to P code SCA, then click on holiday. First we will create
Sir,
the
your
holiday.
voice is
So the holiday
too
different types is available, like with fixed date. Already discussed with fixed day from day.
sorry.
Some holiday we need to be create that is a movable date from fixed day to this date. Like Durga Puja, after 10 to 15 days we are going to celebrate the Diwali. So when moon
What is
so
that? क्या
different
रहा
types
है
will be
ये?
according to religion. So with fixed date,
तो
normally
कुछ नहीं,
maximum time always we use.
Do you understand? What?
पता नहीं।
Hello, my voice is audible.
Sir?
Hello,
यस सर।
Sir, अभी आप पढ़ा रहे?
hello.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, now my voice is audible.
यस सर।
Okay.
Speak loud.
Yeah. So holiday first we will create using T code SCAL. So first step we need to be create the holiday. Under holiday types, different types will be available, like with fixed day, fixed date, like Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Christmas Day. They all are fixed holiday. With fixed day from day, some holiday is available related with fixed day from date, like after Durga Puja, after 10 to 15 days we are going to celebrate Diwali. So according to, but maximum time we are going to be used only with fixed date. Okay, because we know this year this festival will going to fall on this date. According to this, tends to state it's an European country. Easter to Sunday, it's a European country. Floating public holiday, like floating public day, it will be changed. Even we have decided that this day will be holiday, but it will be changed by like a Eid. It depends on the displaying on moon, so it will be comes under floating public holiday. So now I'm going to create with fixed date. So we will select with fixed date and create button. Okay. Shwang, please do the login again.
Sir, network is issue जो है। थोड़ा नेट इशू हो रहा है यहाँ पे।
What's now your system is working?
Hello.
Yeah, what's now your system is working? Yes, Shivangi, what?
This is a network issue.
Okay, so anyone, are you able to share your screen now?
Sir, I
I'll
can.
share.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm going to make you host. So please share your screen. Yeah, what's up? Please share your screen. What happened? Are you say? Yeah, not.
Can you see now, sir?
Yeah, now it's okay. Just to do login.
Sir, this is not, sorry, I forgot to tell you. This is not
No,
resolved yet.
no, because last in evening season also few candidates same issue, but yesterday I had words with the Monica. Now Monica told it's resolved to everyone. Just to share your user with Monica that again send a message to Monica that till now I'm facing the same issue because yesterday it resolved to all candidate. She told.
Yeah, because I have sent her already, sir.
Can you please ping today again? Maybe she forget to. You share your user ID, user ID. This is my user ID. So it's just still showing the same error like that. Just to share with Monica.
Yeah, sir. I'll start there.
Okay, then not able to see in a screen.
Make me
So
host.
okay, who is Rekha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Now share your screen, Rekha.
Uh, sir, how do we do that? Share screen. Okay.
Shivangi, what's a guide to Rekha?
Below there is option to share screen.
Yes, it is, and there are number of screens are
The
there.
first screen you have to share.
Nearby chat option. There are 4 options in our screen.
Okay, I'm sharing the SAP logo directly.
Yeah, this is visible. Yeah.
I think you have to log. You have to share entire screens because only you have shared log on screen, so we are able to see only log on screen. Your
Yeah, when you share entire screen, then only other screen is visible.
yeah.
Okay. Sir, which one? Entire.
Your window, there is written window, screen share window.
Show all.
there's no log on नीचे शायद एक ऑप्शन आ रहा है log on करके.
Sir, which one screen I have to choose? This one?
Yeah, try with this one. SAP log, SAP where you have did the login, SAP page.
This one?
Actually, I'm not able to see in which one you are asking. So just select and share. So we will let you know that it's correct or not. Yeah, now it's okay.
Fine, sir.
Yeah, now it's okay.
How should I give control to you, sir?
Yeah, now
Are
I'm
you
going to
able
give,
to?
no, now I'm going to give request. Just approve it.
Okay. Okay, fine, sir.
Okay. So in creating a holiday, we will use the T code SCL, enter. Then for first public holiday, we need to be create.
Sir, Shivangi has to log out, I think.
It's
No,
a
no,
log.
no, I'm here.
No?
It's a locked by
Logged out.
someone. Please logged out everyone. We're not able to edit.
Sir, how can
We could do one thing. Yeah, again do the login and the share screen. And everyone please do the logout because it's showing logged by some user ID.
Sir, how much have you covered so far?
In time management.
Yeah.
In
10
time
minutes.
team is just we have covered about what is time management, negative what is negative time management, what is positive time management, and then types of holiday calendar, holiday class, and what is a holiday calendar assignment and holiday. You can get the reference from recording. I have recorded this as well.
Sir, take the control.
Sir, I want to repeat a question. The time management is all about employees'
Working pattern.
holidays and
Working
working
pattern.
pattern.
No, it is showing logged by some user ID. You see, transaction is currently logged by another user. So I'm not able to create if it's logged by some other.
Just want to remind.
Transaction is currently logged. If it will be logged, then I'm not able to do it.
सर SM12 करो सर, मैं ऑनलाइन देख रही हूँ उसका सॉल्यूशन.
नहीं समटाइम क्या होता है कि इन लोग मनिका भी बेसिक बैकएंड से करती हैं.
ओके.
तो टेबल में जाकर हाँ लॉग आउट में वो कर सकता हूँ, लॉग आउट करके चेक कर सकता हूँ कहाँ कहाँ लॉग इन है. तो मे बी यूजर आईडी किसी और को असाइन की होगी तो वो काम कर रहे होंगे, ऐसा होता है.
यस सर.
फिर
यस
लॉग
सर.
आउट
मल्टीपल यूजर्स है ना.
हाँ मल्टीपल यूजर. सो लॉग आउट नहीं, वो तो इसी के लिए मैं ऑलरेडी लॉग आउट किया. क्या होता है कि सेम यूजर आईडी और कोई और लॉग. सो डू वन थिंग, व्हेन आई एम गोइंग टू क्रॉस दिस वन यू आर गोइंग टू बी डू अगेन लॉग इन. So you have to do continue with this login. Okay, continue with this login. So if any other user be logged in, then it will be logged out. Continue with this login option. बट ये यूजर से मुझे इशू नहीं लग रहा है, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि टेबल को कोई अदर कंसल्टेंट और अदर
यूज
they
कर
are
रहा है।
yeah
हाँ।
opening separate table, not the entire screen, only separate table. SCL. No, same thing is happening. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, tomorrow. Okay, Varsa, in this week we are going to do the tomorrow session because there is Durga Puja. So Thursday, Friday will be holiday. Okay, so yesterday already we all are absent. So today, tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday we will do the. I'm going to do the continuous session. Is it okay for everyone?
Today and
Yeah.
Today,
tomorrow, right?
no, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Tomorrow, today is a Tuesday, it's already done. So to Wednesday and Thursday, I'm going to do the continuous session. Is it okay for everyone?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So okay
Sir,
then.
I was not able to practice the other session because this
Yeah,
thing
yeah.
was locked.
Okay, not an issue. Just to talk with Monica. Just to talk with Monica for the same. Okay, already is a same issue resolved to other candidate. Okay, just to talk with Monica. She is going to resolve it. Okay.
Oh, okay.
And today also I will work with Monica for your ID.
Mm.
Okay. Okay, then please do the practice. Tomorrow we will connect. Okay. In same time. Please join everyone.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay.